Hey South Jersey, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci. It's not going to be the wettest weekend coming up, and today of course is dry, but as we go into Saturday and Sunday, it'll be a windy couple of days, and it'll be a couple of days with coastal flooding. So if you are east of the Parkway, it's not going to be the best weekend. To the west of there, I think it's just a mostly dry weekend, but it will be on the cloudy side here. Let's take a look at that coastal flooding, because this is what's going to be most important for us as we go into the weekend. Just spotty minor flood stage along the Delaware Bay with our late morning high tide on Friday. But as we go into Saturday, solid minor flood stage. This is what we see about 24 times a year. This is when you start to see some of those lanes on the Black Horse Pike and the White Horse Pike get water on them. Of course, the immediate bayside roadways, if they're not protected, they're getting water on them too. But then we go to Sunday, and that's when we do have to watch out for moderate flood stage. That's blocks of saltwater flooding. Even places that don't typically flood. We see this only about 2 times a year, and the last time we saw this was in early February, where I was standing on Melrose Avenue in Atlantic City, and water was getting pretty close to my knee. So it is certainly high. It only takes 12 inches to move an SUV and 6 inches of moving water to move a car. Looking at our flood stage in Ocean City, this is minor stage. You see a couple of streets in blue, get a little bit of water there as you go to the Bayside side of West Avenue. But look what happens as we go into moderate flood stage. Pretty much all of these streets from West Avenue over towards the Bay get water on them. You really can't drive through them. It's impassable at times, and we're talking about 4 hours, maybe even 5 hours of coastal flooding on our day on Sunday. We have plenty of events going on as we go out throughout the weekend, so this is something certainly we'll have to monitor here. Elsewhere, as we talk about what's happening across South Jersey, we'll look at our cloud cover. Good amount of sunshine for our Friday, but we do see the clouds coming in for Saturday, and they're really around for Sunday as well, except for this one little patch in the Delmarva Peninsula, as we do see a low pressure system creep closer to our area. Now, even though it creeps closer to us, I still think we're staying fairly dry. Saturday, we still have that asterisk there for the 20%, because I don't think we're going to see showers, but we're going to see drizzle, and that might impact your events depending on what's going on. And then Sundays when we're going to see those actual rain showers come through. So let's take a look at our forecast radar. This is now Saturday at 8 p.m. This is now Sunday at 2 a.m. Seeing some rain working into the area, but notice how it's largely staying to our south and east. You see that out to sea there, and I think that's good news for us because, again, it'll be a mostly dry day as we go into our Sunday, but one that will see a strong easterly wind, sustained 15 to 25 miles an hour. Rainfall totals stay under an inch everywhere. I think we can certainly handle that. And the further north you are in the state, the drier you will be. So here we go for Friday. Warm day here. Temperatures in the upper 70s. You know, it kind of reminds me of that first warm spring day with a little bit of humidity in the air. It's just unusually warm across the area. We'll see slowly increasing clouds as we go on throughout the day. Friday night football, take a look at our high school football forecast brought to you by Oakcrest Boys Soccer. We'll be in the low 70s for our 6 p.m. kickoff. We're going to slide into the upper 60s by the time these games are over. And then we have 2 games Saturday at 1 p.m. I think we'll be talking about some areas of drizzle and a mostly cloudy sky, but I don't anticipate much in the way of rain here across the area. And the winds, they're not going to pick up just yet, but it will increase as we go into later in the afternoon on Saturday. So Friday night, east-southeast winds 6 to 10 miles an hour. Breeze does develop as we go into Saturday for the inland spots, and over at the shore, of course, we're talking about a breezy Saturday and a windy Sunday. Again, sustained winds at the shore, probably 20 to 25 miles an hour. Some gusts will get close to 40 as the pressure gradient between the low and the high pressure increase, and that helps to blow that east wind our way. Temperatures in the low 70s are seasonable, actually, for this time of the year. Here's a look at your inland 7-day forecast. We'll get you to the other side of the weekend. Monday, a few showers still, but the sun will come out. It's an improving day, and really, we're in for a great stretch next week. If you remember in my Tuesday broadcast, I said the Climate Prediction Center gave us only a 3% risk of being below average during this time, and that 3%, of course, is not coming true here. So we're going to be talking about warm air, maybe even a mid-October beach day as we go into next Wednesday in South Jersey. We'll have more updates for you on the coastal flooding on the web and on social media. We'll be talking to you there.